Do you want to make money at home online? Well, this is exactly what I am gonna teach you in today's video. You do not need any money and you do not need a credit card to do this. So the method that I am gonna teach you in today's video is for beginners. So it is very easy and it takes about 20 minutes a day to do this. And you do not need any skill nor experience to do this. This is available worldwide, meaning everyone in any country can do this right after watching this video. As you can see here, if you complete a 5-minute simple task, you can earn $25. When you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. I will show you exactly how to do it on your computer or on your phone. Make sure you stick around and don't miss out any part of this video. What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite money-making channel. This is Make Money Hacks, the channel where we teach you how to hack your way to generating easy money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. The website that I want to show you today is a website called validately.com. Now I know some of you guys might have actually came across this website before, but this is a brand new method that I want to show you step by step on how to do this. But before that, I want to show you that PayPal is actually accepting people from all over the world. As you can see here, 200 countries and regions. This is definitely a legit company and a real opportunity because they are partnered up with big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Now I am gonna show you some real examples of this. I am gonna be demonstrating and you guys can watch me step by step before trying out this website. So when you come over to this website, you can also register as a tester and start making money online. Now, it is very important that you do not skip any part of this video because they are going to ask you a total of 16 questions that you have to answer properly so that they can actually approve your sign up. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end before you go on to the website and try it out yourself. Right now, I am gonna click on this create account button. As you can see, this is question number 1. I am going to do it live for you all the way until question 16 to the end of this video. I am going to give you a real-life example of exactly how to do this so that you can start earning PayPal money. So make sure you do not skip any part of this video. Now, I am going to go back here and complete my registration. Now next, what type of mobile device do you own? So I am gonna select either iPhone or Android. Now for my case, I have an iPhone, so I am gonna select that. The next question here is what type of computer do you own? Now, you could maybe select Mac or Windows PC. In my case, I have a Windows PC and I am just going to click on that. Next right here, what is the version of Windows do you use? I am going to select Windows 10. So just click on the next button here. Your gender, and just click on that. So next, question number 5. What year you were born in? Now, I am just gonna type in my answer right here and click on next. So over here is important because when you select college graduate, you are going to receive a higher paying job because right now, you are an adult. You have an income, you have a job, so I highly recommend you select college graduate and then you are going to click on the next button right here. Your employment status. You can select either self-employed or full-time, part-time. So I am gonna click on self-employed. I am just gonna click next to see what industry you are working in. Right here, for question number 8, you can select when you click on here, you can see there are a lot of options and then you can even click on these to display additional results. And they will show more results for you. So right now, I will give you a bonus tip. It is that when you are in the industry of information technology or some other things related to software and computers, you are gonna make so much more money on this website. So for myself, I would select information technology and afterward, just click on the next button. So here is question number 9. Make sure you keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions, and again, I will show you a live example at the end of this video on how to do the job. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now, let us get back to the video. So right now, as you can see, here is a job title. So when I click on this tab right here, you can see that there are a lot of options that you can choose from. I will select marketing and we will search marketing strategies right here. Just click and type marketing and find marketing strategies, and I am just gonna click on next. Now once your annual household income comes up, feel free to select the option that best suits you. Now I will select next. I am just gonna click on this next button, and now it asks what is your full name. So I am just gonna place my name right here and I will click on the button. So on question number 12, what is your email? So right here, I am gonna place an email and then just click next. Question number 13 is very important because they downright want your PayPal email so that once you complete your job, they are able to send money into your PayPal account. So once I enter in my PayPal email right here, I am gonna click on the next button. Question number 14 is very simple. Just type in your password. Now we go on to question number 15. Now, this is important. Right here, they are going to ask you what time zone you live in. Now click on detect my location. You want to click into provide time zone manually. Right click on this link right here and you can actually select what time zone you are coming from. In any case, select the option that best suits you. Now this is the final question. Question number 16. All you got to do is click on this one, yes, I agree, and click sign up. So congratulations! You successfully signed up for your account after this long 16 questions. I know that is a lot of questions and answers, but again, you can do it in less than 2 minutes if you watch this video and just copy exactly what I did. As you can see here, thanks for signing up. They are going to send you a confirmation email, so make sure you check your inbox for a message from Validately, and then you want to click on the link in the email to activate your account. Now once you click on the link, you are going to go through this simple 1-minute screener test. Now right now, I am going to show you exactly how to do it, and again, I will show you a live example of how you can make money on this website. Right here, you can click on the screener test right now. Click on this green button here. So you can see make money testing websites from your home. Right here, we are recruiting people to test websites from their phone or office. Now you can do this on your computer or you can do it on your phone. It just takes about 1 minute to do this. It is very fast. Now then make sure you use the Google Chrome browser right on your phone or computer to open up this website on the link on your email when you are activating your account. Then, you want to click on this button as you can see here. I will test websites for money. Click on this white button and then they are going to give you a tutorial and you can watch the tutorials, but again, this green little ball is actually where you can click on and it is going to show you what task it is that you have to complete. So this is where your instructions will appear right here in this green ball. And then I am just gonna click on next. Now with this ball here, you are gonna go back to the top right hand corner. So whenever you need some help, you can always click on this to show the task or hide it. So right now, I am going to click on OK. I am ready to begin this test. We are going to click on this white button here to begin. Please install the Validately extension. Again, When I click this white button here, you will come onto this page. As you can see here, validately and moderated testing. And it has got over thousands of users right now. They are using this tool to test the website from their home, and you are able to make PayPal money by doing that. So make sure that you click this blue button to add to your Chrome browser so that they can use the software to start testing the website on your computer or on your phone. So once you have downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you are going to receive jobs like these. For example, they want you to test the website. This is one of the jobs that you might receive, which is simply visiting the website, and they even provide you with the link. So all I got to do now is just follow the steps provided by the website and just complete them. Do not worry, these steps are easy to do and mostly consist of taking screenshots of the websites and submitting them. It is gonna take you a few minutes to do them, and then when you get more experienced, you can do them faster and faster, and you can find so many jobs, so many websites that you can use, and then you can make so much PayPal money again and again. And that's it. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time.